Hello and welcome everyone, this is my stream of there. This is the project I've been working on for quite some time. I've left it for the last couple months, but I'm back. Now the project is available on GitHub. It's just a simple car simulation. I've tried the best I can to make details for the interior, no 3D designer. Don't mind this thing there. I think it's a gearbox, maybe, something like that. We got a couple retrovisors, left and right there. Yep, right there. So the reason behind this project is to dig into the wheel collider. I've never used it before. I've tried my best to get as close as I can to a very realistic suspensions and stuff like that, steering angle, stuff like that. To use this project we need a PS4 control. I've been working on a PS4 control the whole time, so I don't think it will support something else. Thus I still have some keyboard inputs like the light there. It starts using the L button from the keyboard. Starting the engine using tab, C to switch between cameras, and etc. There's some buttons you can check on the scripts and you'll get it, or else you can check one of the presets I left in the settings folder, control. There's a couple control presets there, so you can use them in your project. Now let's dive into the cool stuff right here. So this is how the car works out. That was a little bit rough, okay? So there's a steering wheel synchronized with our tires there, our wheels there, turning right and left. As I said, I've tried the best I can to get as close as I can to a very realistic car. It's not realistic at all, but I've tried at least. There's in the bottom right corner, there's the gearbox. Using the R1, L1 buttons, you can switch between gears. Each have its own motor force, max speed, etc. Using the C button right here, I'm changing the camera, like this one. We have 5 different cameras and 5 different angles. Yeah, maybe we'll speed up here a little bit so we can see. I'm going second gear. Yeah, I have brakes too. Okay, never mind. We got brakes light. We have also backward movement light. I don't know what you call it. I'm not interested in cars anyways. Yeah, so here's the project. I'm really ready for any suggestions, sure, but here's the project. Use it, do whatever you want with it, and maybe let me see what are you doing with the project, okay? I'll keep going with this one. I'm going to make some streets, stuff like that here and there. And yeah, I'll keep going with this project, trying to get as close as it's possible to a very realistic car. It is really good to mention that I'm using real information about Golf 6 cars, so yeah, pretty accurate for a Golf 6 car, because I'm getting it, adding values that comes from real life cars, okay? So that's it for today. See ya.